Hi everyone, I'm Chef Angela Rose Capana from Eat Your Heart Out Edibles. I'm a personal chef and I create custom meals for my clients. But now I want to share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes from my kitchen to yours. And if you're hungry for more, make sure to click the subscribe link below. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you my 2-ingredient, high protein, super low carb, grain-free tortillas. And this may sound a little like when you first hear it, but trust me, it's delicious and you can put any filling in there and it will make it amazing. So the only thing that you're gonna need for this is eggs and then your protein of choice. So I'm using a 5-ounce can of white meat chicken that's been drained, but you could use tuna, you could use salmon. It doesn't even have to be canned. If you had a little bit of extra rotisserie chicken, you could even use that. Just make sure you have a half a cup, mainly half a cup of protein of choice and 2 eggs. So I'm gonna do 2 eggs, crack them into a bowl here. I'm gonna use my absolute favorite kitchen tool of all time, which is my hand mixer. You could use a blender, you could use your NutriBullet, but you can't whisk this. You need this to get blend it together. So 2 eggs, and then this is a 4-ounce can of white meat chicken that I have drained. You could use tuna, you could use salmon, you could use fresh chicken, but I'm not. So here we go, we're gonna blend this together. It's a little thick at first, but just mess around with it. And I'm doing it in a shallow bowl so you guys can see, but honestly, if you had, I was gonna put it in this green cup, so it would be more condensed, it would blend a lot smoother, but just so you could see what's happening here. You could add seasoning at this point. You could do just some salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, herbs, fresh chives, basil. Sky's the limit. I'm just teaching you the basic recipe, which is 2 eggs, and a half a cup of your protein of choice. So there we go. We're basically just made a thick, it's kind of like a pancake batter, but Lord help me if you ate these as pancakes. Ugh, I can't even think about that. It's too weird. Then you need a non-stick skillet. I'm gonna use a little cooking spray for extra caution, but why don't you guys follow me over here to the stove? And I'm gonna make a tortilla. Into the pan it goes. Spread it out. So like I said, we're looking for about a 6 to 8 inch tortilla. And it's basically you're making like a crepe, big pancake type thing. Kind of lid this bad boy up, trap the heat. And you'll see as soon as I pick this up, it's gonna be all bubbled on the top a little bit, and that's when you know it is time to do a flipperoonie. Here we go, guys. Say a prayer. 1, 2. Ooh, that works pretty good. So the trick is to really let it set up totally on the top so it's almost cooked through. I'm gonna say it's a good 2 to 3 minutes before you give it a flip. And then I'm gonna put the lid back on top and we'll say another minute or so. And then you are gonna have a very healthy, basically no carb, gluten-free, grain-free tortilla that is just full of so much protein. You don't even need to put filling in this if you don't want, because it has a half a cup of chicken in it and 2 eggs. But I'm gonna fill it with buffalo chicken salad. So come back in a second. Alrighty, so our tortilla is ready. 2 eggs, chicken, high protein. For the sake of this video, I'm gonna fill it up now, but I would let it cool a little bit. But you can put anything you want in this. You could put, some avocado in it, sun-dried tomatoes, because this already has chicken and egg in it. So it's like the protein is in the wrap. But I mean, if you're really trying the bulk, if you're like a big dude, I'm gonna add buffalo chicken salad to this and some shredded lettuce. And I just want you to see just how much this rolls up like a real wrap. It's not gonna crack or anything. And they keep absolutely great in the refrigerator. Look at this. I mean, mine's still hot, so like I said, let it cool. But I mean, seriously, can you get any healthier? Let me know if you guys try this. I think you're gonna make it quite often once you get the hang of it because it's so healthy. Enjoy!